Hey man, every time I went to the movies,
The fuck? What are you talking about? I don't even know you.
just fucking look up there.
Never made me watch it.
Dude, come on, you have to keep it down. I'm
Hey
trying to
man,
watch the
fuck
movie.
you.
Hey buddy, I'm trying to watch the movie. Please shut up.
Okay, sir. He looks like a dumbass.
Alright, this is your last warning. I'm gonna get very pissed off very quickly if you don't shut up and let me watch this movie.
Hey man, how do you like this movie?
Just sit down and shut the hell up!
Ah! Oh yeah! You fucking bitch. Sit the hell down! Dude! Ring-a-hang-a-hang-a shit. Stop. Ring-a-hang-a shit. Oh, ring-a-hang-a-hang. Oh shit. Yo, you wanna play with my Wii?
Nerd!
I'm fucking the internet. Guys, I'm Lance and
I'm Anthony.
yeah, this kid. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed that, hopefully you did, thanks a lot. And yeah, if you guys want more stuff, just subscribe. And we're gonna try and post like weekly content at least. So if you didn't enjoy, then fucker. Alright, if you didn't enjoy, then I don't really know what to tell you guys. But we're gonna try and make it better in the future because it's our first time doing this shit. So you wanna say anything?
Represent.
Yeah, that's cute. Alright, see you guys.